Binomial Theorem, exercise 7.2, problem 6. Expand 1 plus x by 2 minus 2 by x whole power 4, where x not equals to 0 using binomial theorem. Okay. See the solution. 1 plus x by 2 minus 2 by x whole power 4. Okay. So 1 plus x by 2, keep brackets, minus 2 by x whole power 4. See, this is how the form x minus y whole power n. What is the form x minus y whole power n? 4c naught 1 plus x by 2 whole power 4 minus 4c1 1 plus x by 2 whole power 3 2 by x plus 4c2 1 plus x by 2 whole square 2 by x whole square plus 4c3, this is plus after minus, 4c3 1 plus x by 2 into 2 by x whole power 3 plus 4c4 2 by x whole power 4. This is the formula related to, see this formula, x minus y whole power n. So nc naught x power n minus nc1 x power n minus 1 y plus 1 nc n y power n. Okay, now see, 4c naught value 1. 4c naught value 1 into 1 plus x by 2 whole power 4. 4c1 value 4 into 1 plus x by 2 whole power 3 into 2 by x plus 4c2 value 6 into, see this is the formula a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, so 2 square 4 by x square minus 4c3 value 4 1 plus x by 2 cube value 8 cube value 8 by x cube 4c4 value 1, so 2 by 2 power 4 value 16 by x power 4. Okay, next 1 into any number is same number, so 1 plus x by 2 whole power 4 minus 4 2s are 8 by x into 1 plus x by 2 whole cube plus 6 into 6 4 the how much 24 by x square 1 plus still 1 plus x square by 4 2 to get cancelled plus x minus 4 into 4 8 is 32 4 8 is 32 by x cube 1 plus x by 2 plus 16 by x power 4. Now see, later we will discuss about 1 plus x by 2 whole power 4 and 1 plus x by 2 whole power 3. I know about the formula, direct formula. 1 plus x by 2 whole power 3 is a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, see, so 1 plus x by 2 whole power 4 minus 8 by x 1 plus x by 2 whole cube. Okay, now see, 24 by x square into 1, so 24 by x square. Okay, next plus 24 by x square into x square by 4, so x square cancel 4 6 times 6. 24 by x square into x, so x get cancelled 24 by x. Next minus 32 by x cube into 1, so minus 32 by x cube. Minus into plus is minus 2, 16 times x cube, x by x cube is x square plus 16 by x power 4. See the next step. So 1 plus x by 2 whole power 4 minus 8 by x into 1 plus x by 2 whole power 3. See now, write in a proper order, 24 by x, next x square terms. 24 by x square minus 16 x square is 8 by x square. Next, minus 32 by x cube. Next, plus 16 by x power 4, here plus 6 is there. So now I want to find the value of 1 plus x by 2 whole power 4. See, 1 plus x by 2 whole power 4, this step, only this step. Okay. See, this is how the form 1 plus x whole power n. What is the formula 1 plus x whole power n? So 4c naught plus 4c1 x by 2 plus 4c2 x by 2 whole square plus 4c3 x by 2 whole power 3 plus 4c4 x by 2 whole power 4. Okay. 4c naught value 1. 4c1 value 4 into x by 2. 4c2 value 6 into x square by 4. 4c3 value 4 x power 3 by 8. 2 cube value 8. 4c4 value 1 x power 4 by 2 power 4 value 16. So 2 times. So 1 plus 2x plus 2 2 is the 2 3 is the 3x square plus 4 2 times x cube by 2 plus 1 times of x square by x power 4 by 16 is x power 4 by 16. This is the expansion of 1 plus x by 2 whole power 4. Now we will find the value of 1 plus x by 2 whole power 3. See next expansion, 1 plus x by 2 whole power 3. So 1 plus x by 2 whole power 3. 1 plus x by 2 whole power 3. See. So this is of the form 1 plus x whole power and same concept. So 3c0 plus 3c1 x by 2 plus 3c2 x by 2 whole square plus 3c3 x by 2 whole power 3. 3c0 value 1 plus 3c1 value 3 x by 2. 3c2 value 3 x square by 2 square value 4. 3c3 value 1 x cube by 2 cube value 8. Okay. Now 1 plus 3x by 2 plus 3x square by 4 plus 3x square by 4 plus x cube by 8. Now substitute in this equation. Okay, that equals to now 1 plus, this is the equation, 1 plus x by 2 whole power 4 minus 8 by x into 1 plus x by 2 whole power 3 plus 24 by x plus 8 by x square 8 by x square plus minus 32 by x cube plus 16 by x power 4 plus 6. Okay, that equals to, so what is the value of 1 plus x by 2 whole power 4? So 1 plus 2x plus 3x square by 2 plus x power 3 by 2 plus x power 4 by 16 minus 8 by x into 1 plus x by 2 whole power 3 is, this is the step, 1 plus 3x by 2 plus 3x square by 4 plus x cube by 8. Okay, write remaining steps, plus 24 by x plus 8 by x square minus 32 by x cube plus 16 by x power 4 plus 6. Okay, next. So 1 plus 2x plus 3x square by 2 plus x cube by 2 plus x power 4 by 16 minus 8 by x into 1. So 8 by x. So minus into plus is minus 8 by x into 3x by 2. Minus into plus is minus 8 by x into 3x square by 4. Minus into plus is minus 8 by x into x cube by 8 plus 24 by x plus 8 by x square minus 32 by x cube plus 16 by x power 4 plus 6. Okay, so 1 plus 2x plus 3x square by 2 plus x cube by 2 plus x power 4 by 16 minus 8 by x. 2 4 times x cancel, 4 3 is the 12. So here 4 2 times x cancel, 2 3 is the 6x. Okay, next. Here 8 can cancel, x square times minus x square. So plus 24 by x plus 8 by x square minus 32 by x cube plus 16 by x power 4 plus 6. Okay, see the last step. First, see x terms, 24x by x minus 8 by x, 16 by x. Next x squares, divided by x squares, denominator x squares. So 8 by x square, only one is there, 8 by x square. Next x cube, only one is there, minus 32 by x cube. Power 4, x power 4, so 16 by x power 4. Next x terms, 2x is there, Here minus 6x is there. 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. Next, x square terms. See here 3x square minus x square. 3x square by 2 minus x square. So 3x square minus 2 times of x square is 2x square by 2. That is x square by 2. So x square by 2. Yes. Next, x cube terms. Only one is there. X cube by 2. X power 4 terms. So x power 4 by 16. 1 is there. Next, 1 minus 12 minus 11. Minus 11 plus 6 minus 5.